Hello, my share is visible. My screen is
Yes, sir, visible.
yes. Okay. Generally, we can see the financial statements in a SAP. The T code is F dot 0. Okay. So we can put here our chart of accounts and company code. Then we will mention here our financial statement version. SAP contains a standard financial statement versions. You can click a drop down button here. Lot of statement versions are available here, so we can use our convenience. Whatever we want, we can use it for convenience. But we can also create our own financial statement versions doing the configuration step. So we can create our own financial statement versions. So now I am showing the how we can create our own financial statement versions in SAP. So it is a small topic, but it is a very lengthy. So please be patient. Okay. SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, periodic processing, document, defined financial statement version. Okay. New entries. Give one name for financial statement version. I am giving this is for 2022. This is the financial statement version for 1009. And language English. And chart of accounts for this is my chart of accounts. Save. Next, go to financial statement items. This is the financial statement. Okay, this is already I am practicing this one, so I am creating new one. Already this is available, so I will take one more. So I will create another one. So this is the basic fields are available. This is automatically created in SAP. So here these are automatic posting when we are getting the last profit. These are, so we can modify this one according to our requirement. So I am changing these names. First of all, this is the assets. This is liabilities. This is a loss means retained earnings loss. I am put it as a retained earning loss, and profit. This is a retained earning profits, and result P&L result. It is called as a net result. So I need required this one. This is all not assigned in financial statement notes. And balance sheet we can specify the any required showing the notes, we call it as a financial statement notes. So I'm put it as a notes. Not assigned. This one, these all are we cannot if we are not assigned any GL accounts to these items, it automatically it is automatically showing is a not assigned account. GLs are okay. Then in so I will change it as a not number 1. This is I put it as a 8 for my convenience purpose. This is put it as a 9, and I can also create a balance sheet and income statement as a node. So I click here, select here, create items. In financial statement version, this is the BS nothing but a balance sheet, and P&L. This is a P&L account. Profit and loss account. See here, this is the balance sheet and profit and loss account. Under balance sheet, we can shift into the assets and liabilities under the balance sheet. Then in profit and loss account, we can assign the net P&L account and revenues and expenditure. So first of all, I'm the assets and liabilities are shifted to the under balance sheet. So I'm select here, and this is the select button. It will come this, and put it as a cursor here, balance sheet, and this is the reassign. It will go to under the balance sheet. It is the subordinate note. Enter. It will go to the assets like this, and same as in liabilities also. Select, put cursor here, and subordinate. So balance sheet under liabilities and assets. Next, P&L. This is the net result. Income minus expenditure. This is a net result. So I am select this one. Select under, it is come under P&L. This is the subordinate note. Okay. Then here we need our another one is revenue and expenditure. So I am selecting here, create items. Under profit and loss account, I am creating the items. This is the revenue. Revenue expenses. Expenses. So I'm creating under profit and loss account the revenue, expenses, net result. So this is the return earnings loss and return earnings profit. It is comes under the liability side. Okay. This is the return earnings loss and profit. This comes under the liabilities, reserves and surplus account. Okay. So this is the skeleton of financial statements. Then after that, under liabilities, there are many GL accounts are there. Reserves and surplus, capital, current assets, current liabilities, long-term loans. So I will assign here, under here I will assign the those are. So I will show my chart of accounts. This is my chart of accounts. I am assigned in my chart of accounts. These are the GLs, account groups. I am assigned in chart of accounts. Share capital, reserves and surplus, secures, unsecured. These are my. I will I will copy here and I will paste the same into the under liabilities, under assets, revenue, expenses. So select here and create items. So this is the under liabilities. I am assigning my account groups here. So I am copying. I am copying here. Those are total my liabilities: share capital, reserves and surplus, secured loans, unsecured loans, sundry creditors. These are my liabilities and assets. Select here, click create items. These are my assets: fixed assets, inventory, cash in bank, sundry creditors. My revenues, create items. Sales revenue, other income. Next to my expenses. Under liabilities, in the retained earnings, loss or profit come under my reserves and surplus. So I'm selecting here. Select here cursor. So reserves and surplus, it is come under reserves and surplus. And one more is the retained earnings. To save. Under balance sheet, liabilities, assets. Under liabilities, these are my liabilities. Under reserves and surplus, retained earnings profit and retained earnings loss. This is liabilities. Assets, fixed assets, inventory, cash in bank, sundry debtors, creditors. These are. Then profit and loss account. This is the profit and loss account, revenue, expenses. Okay. So after that, under liabilities, in share capital, we can assign the accounts in share capital. So select here, assign accounts. Under share capital, I am assigning the my GLs. So this is the GLs I am assigned in chart of accounts. So this is the GL. Click as a debit and credit. Generally, share capital is showing a credit balance, but we can tick here debit and credit. If any debit balance also, it will accept. It will show in the financial statements. That's why I'm select the debit and credit here. Next, reserves and surplus. So assign accounts, reserves and surplus. Okay. Next, secure loans. Select here, assign accounts. This is the secure loans. Select debit, select credit. Next one, 13 lakhs. Unsecured loans, 13 lakhs. Select debit, select credit. Sundry creditors, 14 lakhs. Select debit, select credit. Tax payable, assign account. Select debit, select credit. Current liabilities. Here current liabilities 16 lakhs. 1,60,000. Select debit, select credit. Accumulated depreciation, 20. Select debit, select credit. Save. Next, assets. Under assets, fixed assets. Fixed assets, assign account. Here, fixed assets is 2 lakhs to 2 lakh 99,000. 9,999. So 2 lakhs. Assets are showing debit balance, but I'm selecting both are. Inventory, assign accounts. 21, 2 lakh 10,000. Select debit, select credit, select debit. Asian Bank. Okay. Select debit, select credit. Then Sunday debtors. This Sunday debtors 23, 2,30,000. 30,000. Select debit, select credit. Tax receivable. Assign accounts. 24. 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Debit and credit. And current assets. Debit, credit. Come to P&L account. Under revenue account, sales revenue, other income, sales revenue, assign account. This is the 3 lakhs to 3,09,099. Debit and credit, other income, debit, credit, under expenses, 4 lakh to 4 lakh 9,999. This is 41. Last one. our account assignment is over. Save. Then go to F.01. Chart of accounts 4584 009, my company code. So this is my financial statements version I am created. So I'm selecting ALV tree control. So it will show the tree balance sheet. Okay. So see here, I'm created this balance sheet financial statement version. So under liabilities, all our liabilities, reserves and surplus, tax payable, current assets. Then assets, inventory, cash in bank, tax receivable. I am assigned all account groups, but what I am entered, those are the showing here. And profit and loss account, revenue, sales, other income, and expenses, indirect, direct acquisition. These are, and balance sheet always balance sheet always tally. So here balance sheet is tally. So this is zeros. Balance sheet is tally. So this is the creation of financial statement versions. This is the step. My presentation is over. Anybody any doubts? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, bro.
Any